Imagine standing on the precipice of technology and chaos. As machines evolve, so do mishaps. Today, we dive into a world where skilled operators meet unexpected disasters. Get ready to explore mining giants, thrilling escapes, and the sheer power of colossal machinery. Fasten your seatbelt, because what follows is a blend of precision, miscalculations, and raw power. On a seemingly regular Wednesday, November 3rd, turned into a memorable day when one of America's esteemed steam locomotives, Strasburg 475, unexpectedly met a Caterpillar excavator at Lehman Place Junction, Pennsylvania. The venerable locomotive bore the brunt of the impact, with its smokebox front door, auxiliary metal parts, and headlight assembly displaying evident scars. On the excavator's side, its functionality was compromised with a damaged bucket, a busted piston, and multiple hydraulic hoses needing urgent attention. Luckily, the locomotive's core steam system stood resilient, benefiting from an intact flue and front flue sheet, sparing a potential restoration nightmare. A deeper probe pointed to a misaligned switch and a fleeting distraction from the crew as culprits, stark reminders of how small errors can snowball into bigger mishaps. Amidst this mechanical drama, the silver lining was clear: no harm to any person, turning this episode into a lesson rather than a calamity. A routine forest operation took a turn when a colossal Timberjack logger teetered on the brink, flirting with tipping over. Just when control seemed within reach, a seemingly trivial tree became pivotal, quite literally, flipping the behemoth over in a breathtaking spectacle. This incident vividly highlights the nerve required by those operating logging equipment, who stand among the bravest in heavy machinery circles. The sheer might of these logging titans is apparent when we observe a 57-ton machine with ferocious steel wheels obliterate everything in its path. An unwary ATV was no match for such a giant, showcasing the stark contrast in scale and power between consumer vehicles and industrial titans. Why bother with conventional road graders when a Timberjack can sculpt the landscape with sheer weight and specialized attachments? BAG has just rolled out its latest in waste management technology. Meet the formidable BC 1173 RB5 landfill compactor. This 57-ton powerhouse crushes nearly any obstacle at landfill sites, converting mounds of waste into orderly layers. Its 577 horsepower engine is no mere number. It delivers efficiency, processing waste at remarkable speed while ensuring thoroughness. BAG's daring new promotional strategy showcases this model's prowess in real-world challenges, redefining industry standards. Crafted with specialization, its design reduces maintenance, a vital trait for equipment operating in the harsh, corrosive realm of landfills. Thanks to its innovative wheel design, it achieves maximum compaction without letting material build up, an issue that less advanced machines often face. In August 2015, the waters of Alphen aan den Rijn in the Netherlands became the stage for a dramatic engineering mishap involving two massive barge-mounted cranes. With combined lifting strengths of 400 and 700 tons, respectively, the operation seemed poised for success, brimming with power. Yet, despite this might, it ended in chaos, with inadequate preparations sabotaging what should have been a flawless lift. Investigations uncovered stability shortfalls and insufficient risk management, preventable flaws that led to this monumental collapse. The Dutch Safety Board's thorough assessment resulted in a slew of recommendations to bolster safety and construction protocols. In a twist of fate, despite the spectacular collapse and subsequent damage, no injuries were reported. A fortunate outcome amid a grim engineering blunder. In the arena of construction, this soil compactor stands out for its dual role, densifying soil while wreaking havoc on operators' spines. Its aggressive vibration mechanism delivers superior soil compaction, yet transmits significant forces to the operator's seat, despite protective engineering. Modern compactors employ advanced shock absorbers, but the inherent nature of compaction means operators still face unwanted vibrations during long hours. The repetitive jarring creates a hypnotic spectacle for observers, but manifests as cumulative stress for operators exposed throughout the day. Industry standards wisely cap daily exposure for operators, acknowledging the long-term health implications of excessive vibrations. For those committed to compaction, this machine is both a powerful tool and a workplace peril, a duality etched in the fabric of heavy construction roles. Surprisingly, technological advances have paradoxically heightened accident frequencies in some industries, nowhere more evident than in mining equipment. Observing seasoned operators next to novices, the gap in equipment handling and reaction to unexpected scenarios is immediately clear. What begins as routine can swiftly escalate into chaos, as seen when an overloaded barge fractured under stress. The captain's swift evacuation exemplifies the saying of being the last to abandon a sinking ship, his nimble jump highlighting quick-wittedness under duress. This incident spotlights how small misjudgments in load distribution can precipitate catastrophic equipment failures. The interplay of immense machinery, powerful forces, and human judgment forms a complex risk matrix where experience can mean the difference between routine and disaster. This Epiroc D60 surface drill shows how even advanced rigs can be brought to a standstill by something as trivial as injector problems. When self-mobility falters, teamwork among diverse machinery becomes essential, a bulldozer stepping in for vital assistance. Curious about the grader's position behind the rig? It's a tactical placement, stabilizing while the bulldozer provides pulling power. Why not just use a lowboy trailer, you ask? Recent rains had rendered the slope too slick for such a maneuver. This creative transport solution is a testament to the ingenuity required when ideal gear is unavailable or nature throws a curveball. The united choreography among these machines underscores the problem-solving spirit that underpins successful heavy equipment operations. Witness the raw might of this 75-ton Titan, its 610 horsepower engine channeling forces through state-of-the-art hydraulics. As it slices through rock formations like a hot knife through butter, modern engineering's prowess is on full display. Curious about the aftermath of this roadway destruction, the full video meticulously documents the entire restoration process. When operators tackle aggressive rock ripping, equipment damage is an expected part of the job rather than an exception. The operator's nonchalance about the damage, joking that a little glue could solve it, mirrors the routine nature of wear in intense excavation settings. These formidable excavators stand as monuments to earth-moving prowess, reshaping landscapes with efficiency unimaginable to past construction generations. What might look like a blockbuster chase scene starring Tom Cruise was, in reality, a hazardous locomotive fire on September 28, 2022, near Keene, California. A blaze engulfed the train, creating a stunning yet perilous spectacle. Thanks to swift firefighter action, the fire was quenched before it could ravage the surrounding areas. Diesel locomotive fires aren't rare, often sparked by fuel leaks, electrical failures, or heating components. These fires pose significant risks not just to the train, but to surrounding environments, especially in wildfire-prone dry regions. The event starkly underscores the risks inherent in diesel-electric systems, where high-energy fuels combine with intricate electrical setups. Behold the spectacle as two Kenworth T800 trucks, with their robust 450 horsepower engines, effortlessly haul excavator parts. The lead truck strategically carries extra weight over the rear wheels, optimizing traction for this challenging haul. This weight distribution allows the lead to maintain control, towing the second truck which bears the hefty load with poise. The operation exemplifies supreme organization and operational efficiency, hallmarks of top-tier heavy equipment logistics. These mechanical titans assert dominance on roads, their presence and hauling prowess proclaiming them monarchs of commercial transport. Yet, one RV's festival dreams were cut short, meeting its fate at the hands of these industrial giants.